When we were young and growing up in the outdoors, we weren't dreaming about trophy racks and record books, and we were just dreaming about adventures.
Well, up before the butt crack of dawn, I got my real tree camo and scent block on. My kids right beside me in my tree stand, clutching that 243 from my old man. Those red dirt roots take me where I wanna go, to my camo duck liner, that old fishing hole. Nature creeping's only thing I know, but I can't get there without these red dirt roots. But food on the table is what I do, stocking game like a Chickasaw hunter used to. Living off the land is my different guy, packing heat with my rifle, all my fishing around. Those red dirt roots take me where I wanna go, to my camo duck liner, that old fishing hole. Nature creeping's only thing I know, but I can't get there without these red dirt roots. Well, sundown means my day is almost over.
Red Dirt Roots is brought to you by H&H Shooting Sports, Auto FX, Lucky Lure Tackle, Cook, Feed, and Outdoor, Sundog Trails Off-Road Park.
So you don't always have to look at a new rifle. You might just need new optics. You might have a favorite rifle you've had for 20 years, 15 years, and you can't bear the thought of getting rid of it. You might consider upgrading the optics, as optics have changed drastically just in the last few years, in fact. You can upgrade the optics around $200 up to sky's the limit, a couple $1,000s. So there's tons of optics available in between there that would suit your needs, anything from a 1 to 4 power or a fixed 4 power all the way up to a 4 to 12 and even higher than that. So come on in and my optics professionals will be happy to show you a wide variety of optics to help you upgrade your favorite rifle.
Hey everybody, welcome to Red Dirt Roots Outdoors TV. This is a very, very special show for me, and I want y'all to meet Tanner. Tanner has been through a world of adversity that most people could never understand. Kind of basically tell us, you were born with one kidney.
Yes.
And there was a horse accident, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And in this horse accident, the horse stepped in the middle of him and ruptured his one kidney. It also, was it your aorta it severed? Or
Yes.
He bled a lot internally to the point that he had to have both legs amputated. Also having one kidney, he's been on dialysis from that point on until his mother tested positive as a donor. And his mother, God bless her soul, donated a kidney. And he has been just a tick over a year off dialysis. Now then, with the help of some really good friends of mine and some other people pulling together, last year we were able to get him this all-terrain chair and give him a little bit of the outdoor experience that he loves so much back. But I also had a contact with a guide last week, and me and him talked. He doesn't even know this is coming up yet. But have you ever wanted a pheasant and quail hunt?
Yeah.
Well, you're going on an all-expense-paid pheasant and quail hunt with me.
Oh, cool.
And I can't wait for y'all to see this. We're going to have a great time. Gordy has reached out, and we're going to be in northeast Oklahoma for ringneck pheasant, bobwhite quail. I might put a trailer on the back of this thing, let him pull me around.
It's a go-getter. That's a heck of a machine.
We'll start Tanner out by me. Buds or? Yeah, both sides. Yeah. Okay, there we go. I'll jump in by the camera. Okay, here we go. You ready? Mark, Mark. Mark.
Pheasant.
Get it. No bird! No bird! go, guys.
Good shot. Who shot that? Did you shoot that? You come here.
That's nice.
Congratulations.
Thanks. Let's go, come on.
Man, that gun will kill a bird.
Yeah, it kills a long ways.
I only had one shot at a safe bird. Good shot, Tanner. Good shot. What we're dealing with right now is it's hot and the wind is swirling, so it's really hard to set up for a hunt like that. I mean, the birds are running, they're not holding, but there's a lot of birds in the area, so we're just going to keep pushing up this hedgerow and see if we can get some that we missed on the first pass.
Come on up. Whoa, where's he?
Maybe. Maybe that's the one I was hearing. One of them wiped my nose.
Easy.
Right there, single. Oh, I was behind him bad.
He got up wild there.
I'll wait and I'll wait. I can't wait no more.
Now, if you'd have waited any longer, he's gone. I don't think that was a quail on. That's it. They went and followed that. Give.
You ever have one of those feelings like you just got a gut feeling like something fixed to just blow up right in your face? I mean, this is, there they go. Good shot. Yep, I'm watching that one right there going down.
Right there in them trees. Right
Boom. Boy, she's getting birdie again. Right there, right there. Oh my.
Rice bran, rice bran, rice bran. We're talking about rice bran today. Unlike a protein supplement for deer, rice bran is something that deer can actually store in their body. Rice bran is a high-fat feed and also one of the most powerful attractants for deer. If you've ever put out a bag of rice bran, you will be amazed at your game cam photos the next day. There is all kinds of deer that come around. It is a very strong scent, and deer will come around from hundreds of yards away to get a taste of what they can smell. Like I said, unlike a protein supplement, rice bran can be stored in the deer's body. Rice bran is a very high-fat supplement. Protein, when it is not used by the deer, is urinated out. Unlike protein, this rice bran has a lot of fat. Fat can be stored and used in the deer's body for energy later throughout the winter. So rice bran is an awesome source for an attractant and also a great source of fuel for the deer in your rifle. Thank you for watching.
Looking for something great to do over the holidays? Sundog Trails at the Bridge in Lexington, Oklahoma is a great close-to-home place to take the kids and the family out to go four-wheeling or just enjoy some time along the river. There are multitudes of trails along the river and through the woods. Sundog Trails also allows camping. So if you want to spend a cool weekend out at the river, pitching a tent and building a campfire, Sundog Trails is a perfect place to go.
Hello, this is David again with Lucky Lure Tackle. Trout season opens statewide with all 8 of the state locations, plus a lot of little city areas have trout in them too. Probably for catching trout, the best overall bait are the little power baits. You've got all kinds of power baits that come in natural scents. You've got all kinds of colors, scents, and attractants. The stuff is real easy to use. You can either use a small treble hook or just this. Make your little ball of it, put it on there, on light line with a lightweight, throw it out in the water, and basically just, it's kind of like tight lining for catfish. This technique works very well, especially for kids and stuff like that, because it's a family thing to go out there and catch a limited fish. Another great bait to use is the old standard salmon egg. The old fireballs right there, that's a great one. Now for you guys that like to fish artificial lures, probably the best little bait out there is the Super Duper. It currently holds a state record in fish. They come in all different sizes and colors. It has a lot of wobble. It works great, especially in some of these river locations where they have a little current. Looks like a little fish swimming through the water. Trout level, they'll eat them up. Another great little artificial lure is the rooster tail. It's little small spinners, work great. Another one works great in their little river areas.
He's right in here. There he is. Good find. Good dog. Yeah. Yep. All right, Tanner, smoke this bird. Uh-huh. Yeah, right in that little bowl. That wind's right for him to smell him. Oh, here we go. I had it right here. Is it? Okay.
Whoa, Miles, move up a little bit, Mel.
There went. Good shot. Safety on.
That was another whole group.
There was.
How'd we miss all those?
I have no idea.
We went up the middle, I believe, first. And Mel still got one. That was 6 more birds up there. That was perfect for Tanner. He had wide open on three.
Yeah. I pulled forward and slid my thumb back across the safety. We got that one dead bird back here. I went forward, and then when I pulled. Oh my gosh, you're kidding me.
No bird. We got a few feathers first shot. Okay, that dead one's still behind there. Make sure you got that on film.
I can make that go away. I won't, but I can. Yeah. No, I promise you my editor will guarantee that's probably on loop. Right here. All right, he's coming on your side. Nope, coming out. Okay. We got a point right here, 20 yards up. I think there's a lot of something blew up. Hey, coming out, get ready. All right, we got another point. Okay. Your black and white one?
Here. No, these are all mine. Here. Mossy, here. Mercy, come here. Coming your way, Kenneth.
Dead.
It's hard to get them all on camera. All right, that dog's still. He's gonna need some points.
Huh? No, I'm not loaded. I'm empty. Yeah, I saw that. Looked like he had a little gangsterling. Show me that. That's awesome. Well, what do you think about your first hunt?
Fun.
Fun?
Yeah.
You made a heck of a shot on that ring neck. First one out of the box.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I was very impressed. I mean, but so this is your very first pheasant quail hunt.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think you want to do it again?
Yeah.
I do too. We'll see what we can do. So, but what we're gonna do is get a drink of water, kind of rest a little bit, let the dogs rest, and then we're gonna go back out. We're gonna do another push in some other areas and let these dogs, like I said, let the dogs get a little bit of a rest. They've got to be able to use their nose. They're doing great. I mean, they're finding birds, aren't they?
Yes.
I mean, I didn't see him run. I was waiting. I couldn't wait anymore.
That's all right. He had to wait. He got hung out.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, he did. He knocked the chunk right out of him. Thank you. Your side. Good shot, guys. Good shot. Yep. About 6 more inches and you're gold. Okay, please tell me that you got at least one of the hits to my 5 misses. I know it. And he's gonna blow up just like this. He's gonna come straight. Good shot, buddy. Good shot. So how much does that vest weigh now?
Yeah.
Do you need me to carry some?
Nah, I'm all right. We get the quail on.
Tanner, I think we done found your game, son.
Good shot.
The Ditch Chicken Destroyer. The Ditch Chicken Destroyer. Okay, we just made a push up through this center cover here, and he's been smoking them. I mean, that was a good push. I think we dropped 6 roosters out of that push. We're gonna go back down, shift over, and then come back up because we know that there's more birds in this area. We're gonna see if we can pick them up in this taller grass real quick, but we're limited to about another 30 minutes, so we gotta go. Let's go, buddy. All right, I knocked one.
Right here, Mel.
That's good, folks. I don't know if y'all understand how much this hunt means to this young man, but I think if he smiled any wider, his head would fall off. He's having a good time, and I'm having a good time watching him. And that's what it's all about, getting these kids into the outdoors, taking somebody that's had the whole world thrown at him, and he's out here smiling and having a good time. So don't ever think you're down and out, because there's always somebody that's got a little more adversity in their life than you, and he's making it happen today with a good, fun hunt. It does my heart good. Does it real good. Boys, right on top of them. Got one pheasant right here. She's still hard locked. He's saying,
Right here.
yeah, yeah.
Smells it right here. You ready? You ready?
Yeah, I'm right on top of him.
Those ears are up. Get that dead center.
Yeah, I'm dead.
All right, let's cut.
Hold on, I want to get some footage of this. This is really cool.
Right there. Right here. We stepped over them. Hey. We ready now? We're going to go this way. So.
Now,
Percy, heel. Percy.
Andrew, you get 5 seconds of it, now back out.
Here, Hershey, heel. Come out. Be ready.
Yeah, but it's fixing to blow up.
That's the end of it. Watch it.
Dropped one.
There, low bird right there.
Dropped one. That was a good covey. There you go. Man, you took a piece. I wasn't going to shoot anymore. Yeah.
You had one poke at it. So there's a dead bird in here, Mike? Oh, you had a yeah, that was it. Yeah, there.
Oh.
Bird, 2.
Well, I could have hit that one with a bat. All right, this has been a great afternoon with Tanner. I want to thank Gordy Montgomery with Gordies Wildlife Service. Gordy, tell us a little bit about your operation. What all do you offer as far as upland game birds?
Upland game birds, we have the bobwhite white quail and the ringneck pheasant. That's pretty much all we do here at Inola. Sometimes we have checker, but mostly bobwhite white quail and ringneck pheasant.
Okay, and on top of that, he also does wetland hunts. He's got a pretty nice wetlands, and he offers waterfowl hunts too. And would you kind of tell people a little bit about that operation?
It's a private place north of Tulsa, about 550 acres. 300 acres of it we manage with water and pump water out of the Caney River and the native habitat and stuff that we plant. And a lot of birds. Of course, we don't overshoot it. We manage it to be successful and hunt it 3 or 4 days a week and let it rest.
And I'll tell you personally, my wetlands is about, as a crow flies, 4 miles from him.
Yes. Good area.
I love getting a phone call from him because that means that the birds are going to be in the air.
Yeah.
So
it's a great bottom area. Holds a lot of birds. It does. Great ducks.
and he also offers fishing trips. But go ahead and tell him your number, Gordy, right now if you want to.
918-557-4791. We do the white bass on the Grand River and hybrid bass on Skytook Lake in May and June. April, May, and June are the fishing months.
And I'm going to tell you right now, if you've never been in the hybrids on Skytook, this is the man to get to. If you've never been into just an unbelievable sand bass trip, this is the man to talk to. He knows where they're at all the time. He's got the tackle. He's got the knowledge. So give him a phone call. I want everybody out there to come see this man because this was a quick afternoon hunt, and I mean, it was a great time. And I want to thank you personally from the bottom of my heart for allowing this man to come hunt.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun, Tanner. Thank you. Enjoyed having you. Yeah, you did great.
Oh, no problem, buddy.
You did great, man.
I hope y'all enjoyed this episode of Red Dirt Roots. God bless you, and God bless America.
Optics. What makes the difference in between an LED light and a floodlight? Floodlights have like a crystal or have a diffused glass on them. Optic is the one thing that makes an LED, or any type of light for that matter, shine down the road. We all remember KC daylighters. We went snow skiing. KC daylighters on the front of a 4Runner, you could see a mile down the road with those things, but they are that deep.
Pull an incredible amount of power.
And incredible amount of power. These right here, this is probably almost as bright as the KC daylighter. The difference in between the two is the depth of the chassis. You can see how thin this one is and how thick that one is. The optic, which is the part that shines the LED towards the road, the deeper the unit, the better your light is going to shine out and not just be diffused. These are good to put on the back of the truck. They're good for, you know, being able to get tools out, get your guns out, load your dogs, hook up to your trailer.
So more of a floodlight.
Yeah. This is going to be for a spotlight on the front of the vehicle, shine down the road, you know, see half a mile down the road. If you've lost your dogs, if you're trying to find your hunting party, this type of LED right here with a really deep chassis. If you have any questions, Auto Effects El Reno, 262-8468, 262-TENT is easy to remember. We've been in El Reno since '89, so that makes almost 30 years in one spot.
Would like to thank our sponsors, H&H Shooting Sports, Cook, Feed, and Outdoor, Lucky Lure Tackle, Auto FX, Sundog Trails Off-Road Park. Would also like to thank our equipment sponsors, Hero Outdoor Products, Caney River Calls.
I say yes, sir, I say yes, ma'am, and I'm proud to be who I am.